every single part here. Just hold on, I lost count. 1, 2. This took a long time. Step 34. Okay, 2 screws. Oh man, this took a long time. 2 screws. Here it is. Okay, 1, 2. Guys, we're missing one. I guess we don't have to finish this. Oh well. It's a little annoying. Hold on, guys. I think I need to go to Home Depot and get some WD-40. This is pretty bad. Huh. What are we building? It's a drawer? Are you sure? Yeah. It's got a drawer image. Duh. No. This goes there. Just read the instruction. Daddy mad. You even got the right screw. You even need Daddy to show you that. You're making Daddy so proud. You guys need my help? Sorry, Daddy needs to go to the toilet right now. Daddy smells. Daddy always needs to make sure that he smells good when he's building IKEA, so I'm gonna take a shower. Yeah, we can build one piece today, just build it next week. Actually, no, just build it next month. Get Mom to help. Sorry guys, something came up. Can we build it next year? I just rolled my right ankle. Just let me rest. Yeah, I said left ankle. Yeah. No can do, guys. Daddy doesn't do IKEA. Honestly, IKEA is only fun to unbox. It's not really fun to build. When I build IKEA, I get diarrhea. When I build IKEA, I get diarrhea.